Morning, good morning, morning, morning. You know, in Jamaica, when you walk in the streets at the start of the day, everybody's screaming at you, morning, 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 good morning. They don't know what they're doing. Welcome to A Better Path Coming Soon University. This is English class. And we have a problem with words in this class. Okay? We are eliminating words from our lexicon. That means dictionary or vocabulary. Yeah, we're eliminating words from our lexicon. And we are replacing it with something that makes sense to the universe. Our words are confusing the universe. And we are cursing ourselves in the process. Like mining, 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 all that on mining. Don't you know morning sounds like mourning, which is when you're mourning somebody's death. This mourning means sorrow, grief, cry. You see my big man there crying? Yeah, we're confusing the universe when we say good morning. I only say morning. With this morning, that's supposed to be sunrise. How come can we just say grand rising? That's what we're changing it to. We rise at the start of the day. We don't mourn our day. That's what it sounds like. Good morning, good morning. Stop that. Stop that. Let's say, Grand Rising, sister. Grand Rising, my brother. Okay? Let's stop saying good morning, people. We're cursing our day. Let's say Grand Rising. And I'm guilty. I still say good morning sometimes because it'll just slip out, but I'll catch myself. I'm like, ooh, I don't want to mourn my day. Grand Rising. Even when I go in the street, people saying good morning to me, I try to stop them and be like, Grand Rising. And those who have time, I'll tell them, don't say morning, because you're morning your day. It sounds like morning. So I try to, because I don't like people screaming good morning at me, because it just sounds so weird in my ears. Ever since I found out that the words that I'm using is hurting me. Okay? So let's say Grand Rising. Alright? Just like Oxford University. We don't want to use good morning anymore. We're using grand rising. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. See you next class.